Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny, who's going to cook up something delicious. So what are we making today?
Today we're doing a filet mignon platter. Give me a little olive oil on here,
I can do that.
That's almost too much, thank you.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
I ruin everything.
Give me some of that beef rub right there. That's salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Somebody might take their piece of meat and place it down like this.
You don't want to do that?
No, we want to do it on an angle and we're going to roll it. So how do you know when it's time to roll? It will release naturally when it wants to be released. Look, no resistance. And we're just going to give it a little roll right here. All right, I think we're ready to roll the other way. Look at that. Look at the nice little X's over there, right? This is drawing all the proteins and sugars out of the meat, creating a caramelized crust, giving you that good meaty flavor when you bite into it. This is going to go into a very hot oven. We're going to make just nice thin slices with this. Oh, that's...
beautiful.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Perfection.
Come on. Now we got a nice platter here. A little green leaf lettuce, right?
Beautiful.
It would not be a filet mignon platter without a horseradish dipping sauce,
Yum,
right?
I love that.
That's a filet mignon platter.
Head to our website, news12.com. You'll find how to do it there. Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Good job, Vin.
My pleasure as always.
Thank you.